वो आए हमारे शो पे, ये उनकी ही रहमत है, कभी हम उनको और बार बार उनको ही देखते हैं.
अरे
Ladies and gentlemen, it happens many times that the personality you admire a lot, that you want to meet that personality in your life. And today is, I'm fortunate enough to have that personality on Alok Joshi Talk to Rock show. And I'm so much happy. So my name is Alok Joshi, the student of public speaking and human behavior. My today's guest is a plant pathologist, a daughter of a scientist, the proud wife of IRSC officer, and a mother of two. In front of me and in front of all of you is sitting Mrs. Shraddha Dubey. Welcome you, Shraddha, in this show, Alok Joshi Talk to Rock show.
thank you so much, Alok. Absolutely delighted to be on Talk to Rock. And this is with Joshile Alok. Since this is a virtual session for the first time, I would like to say a few things, and
Right,
that is for
right.
you.
Yeah.
कि पर्दे के पीछे से वो झांके हम झांके,
Wow.
पर्दे के पीछे से वो झांके हम झांके, लगाओ पर्दे में आग, न वो झांके न हम झांके. So let's talk.
And rock.
Sure, sure,
यही थीम है
sure.
हमारी. जो यहाँ जो भी आता है, he or
Wonderful,
she will
wonderful.
rock and I will talk to her and him.
Very
So,
wonderful.
so Shraddha, because you have been one of the emerging speakers, one of the finest speakers in the public speaking domain, and your journey, because I have seen your journey, but I also would like my audience to learn about something about your journey. You started your journey, I think, 4 or 5 months ago in public speaking domain. So just want to know how you started public speaking, because being a plant pathologist and being a daughter of two and coming from a very elite background from your education as well as from your current status also, how did you think that public speaking is going to help you or it interested you?
Okay, Alok, we are like Banjaras.
Oh,
Gharmar nahi, darbar nahi. You can understand.
yes.
Having married to an IRSC officer, I had to adapt to the nomadic lifestyle,
Wow. Yes.
because we keep on shifting our places because of the transfers.
Right.
And so every new place becomes or comes with a new challenge for us. So, and that goes for, searching for opportunities, interviews, and things like that.
Yeah.
Every new place becomes a challenge for me. So, what happened was like in his first place of posting, that was Ajmer. I
Okay.
could not find good career opportunities related to my field of specialization, which was plant pathology.
Okay.
And so I had to diversify and look beyond my specialization.
Okay.
And that is when I realized that I have to work on skills. And there is an incidents I would like to relate that actually
Yeah.
changed the entire thought process and made
Okay.
me realize that if knowledge is power, skill
Right.
is superpower.
Of course. Of course.
And it was like my husband, he often calls me Hanumanji.
Oh my God. Oh my
And it's not
God.
because of my biceps and the triceps that I
Yes.
have, but just that
Yeah.
every time I need someone to prompt me or pester me to, go and break the inertia within and
Yes.
take up, new challenges in life.
Right.
So he is the one who prompted me, like I lunched upon anything that came my way
Okay.
in Ajmer. So, in the close vicinity, whatever came my way, I thought of lunching on that. And
Right.
so there's a interview call from Pathways Foundation.
Okay.
So it's an NGO like that work for the underprivileged. So I was
Right.
clueless as what I would be contributing, to their organization. But so the interview panel, they happened to ask me, how would you contribute to our organization?
Okay.
And I was like dedicated worker, and I'll work selflessly and things like that. So
Right.
it was like honestly, with any offense, it was like a Miss India or Miss World kind of an answer with the spirit
Okay.
of Mother Teresa.
Okay.
But
Okay.
what happened was they were looking for a skill expert, a presentation skill expert. And my
Right.
resume reflected that because I was a winner of the prestigious PR Verma Award for research paper presentation in my field.
Great.
So
Great.
what I found was that the two gold medals that I had in the field, the plant pathology, and also the
Right.
net certificate that I had
Great.
wasn't brought to limelight, but this particular award on skill gave me this particular job.
Yes.
And then I realized that how important skill is. And then again, what happened was right 10 days later, as soon as I got the job, I had to go for a presentation. It was for an international convention. All right.
Okay.
And now I had an experience of technical presentation, scientific paper presentation, and the people whom I catered to were educationists, scientists, and students in the same
Right.
field. But when I entered their fray, the kind of audience that I
Okay.
had to address to were heterogeneous,
Okay.
businessmen and management professionals, the industrialists and things like that.
Right.
So that became a big challenge for me. And that is
Good.
when I realized that a proper training is required,
Yes.
to address to the expectation and justify the job
Right.
that I was going, taking.
Right.
And I started actually earnestly working on my skills. And that is how it is. I landed up, uh, I think it was 2 years back. I landed up in Kolkata and I was again associated with Pearson's Foundation, again because of the presentation skills.
Okay.
And it was again because of my husband who prompted me to enroll for the Speak and Grow webinar,
So
by
Hanumanji was
Praveen
once
sir.
again incited.
Yes. So
Yeah.
again, like it was Bichda Yaar Mila for me. Long lost love. And let me tell you, the webinar was love at the first bite itself.
Wow.
I'll say that.
Wow.
Yes. And rest, I am with the SAG family. Yeah.
Yes.
Speak and grow. Yeah.
Right.
That's how it
So,
is.
Mr. Praveen Vadalkar, definitely his skills, his mentorship is benefiting so many of us that we are
Very
honing
much.
our
Very much.
skills. And you rightly said, Shraddha, knowledge is just half the way done. If you don't have the
True.
skills to present your knowledge, you cannot benefit anybody in your journey.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So what would I say? Just say, as you said, we became the nomads. So I said, I just was thinking about the song, "Jaise Banjare ko ghar." So public speaking gave
बिल्कुल
you
बिल्कुल
a ghar to this Banjara. Yeah?
very much, very much, very much, very much. And actually, you require a mentor who gives you a roadmap into things like that, what exactly has to be
Yes.
done. And that we got it from Praveen sir.
Yeah.
How to go about things, how to deal with different kinds of, audience and things like that.
Yes.
So it is here that I learned about this.
Right.
So it said that यूं ही चलकर नहीं तरसे सुखन आया है, यूं ही
Wow.
चलकर नहीं तरसे सुखन आया है, पांव दबाए हैं बुजुर्गों के तभी ये फन आया है.
तभी ये फन आया है. यस. और
So,
मेरे ख्याल से
so
आपने
it's
बहुत ज्यादा
something
पांव
like
दबाए हैं श्रद्धा. तो ये फन जो है
बहुत
बहुत ज्यादा
शिद्दत
आप
से.
में ये फन जो है बहुत ज्यादा उतरा है आप में.
Thank you, thank
And
you.
because when going through your video, Shraddha, I was just thinking like you are the queen of language. You have mastered the language, and I hope this has come from your education, from your parents, and currently also the atmosphere wherever you are in. So you are the queen of language. You are the queen of expressions. And also when I talk about you are the master of shairis, poems, and that veer ras that came, it is कूट कूट के भरा हुआ है जो अंदर में. So Yes, and I thought you have made one video also how people should or what you should do so that people love your videos or your
Videos. Right,
speeches.
right, right. Yeah,
So
yeah.
having all those things mixture in you, Shraddha, how do you say form your speeches? How do you construct them or structure them so that everything comes in and it becomes so attractive, so much interesting for the people who are watching them? So what do you do basically? And everybody would like to learn from you because that's the secret of Shraddha, secret recipe of Shraddha. People will love to
Okay.
listen to that.
Yeah, as you call it, my recipe. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, I like to keep my speech quite democratic in a sense, going by the definition of Abraham Lincoln, of the people, by the people, for the people.
yeah,
So whenever I have to construct or structure my matter, it is always keeping audience in mind,
right,
analyzing what they would like or what I should be giving. So the first and foremost is I decide on the conclusion.
right.
I don't start with the introduction or the body. I just directly go to the conclusion. What would be my takeaways? What I would like to give to
Okay.
my audience.
End in
So
the
this is,
mind.
yeah, I keep
Yeah.
that thing in mind, the
Okay.
takeaways or what I would like to give them from my end. So
Great.
this is perhaps the first thing which I do. And I keep it maybe sweet and simple. And this is when actually the concept of zara zara touch me, touch me, touch
Yes.
me, you need to
Yes.
touch the audience, and zara zara kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, keep it sweet and simple.
Simple. Yeah.
And zara zara hold me, hold me, hold me, you need to hold the audience
All the audience. Yes.
to listen to you, to
Right.
take away whatever you want to tell them. So these are the ingredients which I keep in mind, and then I cook the thing, as you say, and
Yeah.
and more than that, I would also like to tell you that there was a fresh fashion designer, and he was talking or stating about a haute couture, where he
Yeah.
stated that for uh, making a designing process successful, or maybe making his ramp work successful and things like that,
Okay.
he used 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 method, which was 2 by 3 of his material and only 1 by 3 of accessories.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this was a construct that he made and presented. So I imbibed the same ratio in my speech, which is 2 by 3 of my matter,
Okay.
which is when I get it after remembering maybe a story or an anecdote or maybe an example from my life or which I have read somewhere. And then perhaps also, I imagine few things, which again, Praveen sir has talked about, you remember, and
Right.
again, you imagine things.
Right.
And later than that, also correlate, means associate. What are the
Yeah.
commonality between people around?
Right.
So basing on the three things which he actually guided for opening the speech, I
Yeah.
also utilize it for constructing my speech.
Great.
And it is like, again, the construct is 2 by 3 of my material and 1 by 3 of embellishments, which is
Right.
saying, quotations, and maybe, quote and things like that. So this makes your thing balanced and it doesn't appear gaudy. So if you don't balance your things, the element does not spark out. I feel it that way. So like, people try to, give more of embellished things, more of quotations, more of poetry and things like that. But
Yeah.
I feel to keep it 1 by 3 is the maximum which is required in a speech.
Yes.
And other than that, it is all about you. It's all about you. Your
Yeah.
observation, your stories, your talk, your way of delivery, and things like that.
Yes. And you
So
keep
this is
on
how
learning. And you keep
you
on
keep on learning.
learning from
Exactly,
every
exactly.
moment, every event. You keep on learning, and
Yes,
your
yes.
own stories they add up to your speech very much.
Very much, very much, very much. In fact, I would again like to say that when you get a lot of feedbacks, like when I came across this Speak and Grow family, I learned too many things from it. It's a sort of encyclopedia, or I should say a library. When you open it, you get
Right.
a lot many things to learn.
Right.
You leave apart the skills like the public speaking skills or the leadership skills or the motivational skills, and then you learned about law of what was that, law of attraction, law of wasted efforts. They were
Law of
all new
attraction.
to me. So
Yes.
now this would become a part of my speech later, when I actually think it will be required in some moment or in, anywhere. So
Right.
these are again a learning process. Also the feedbacks that keep on coming rolling, like keeping my pitch, taming my pace. Also
Right.
people talked about that, there was a dip after 3 minutes of my speech, and then it
Right.
took off at the fourth minute.
Yes.
So again, I had to work on the dip. Why did it go there? Why people felt that there was a dullness in between.
Okay.
And that is when I realized that I have to work on the entire material that I given. It should not be like, the first part is too engaging and then a dull
Yeah.
moment comes and again, the flash comes up. No,
Yes.
it should be in equilibrium. This is how it should be. So again, that was one of the things which I came to learn only after the feedback.
Right.
So these are few elements, which I should be thankful to the Speak and Grow family to have guided me, and coming out with a proper polished thing. Also,
Yes.
I remember there was another thing in regard to what should I say? It was I don't remember exactly. There was another thing, which I actually put it in mind always, the video making skills. And I
Right.
already told you, like, it
Yes.
was a big challenge because I'm used to that stage kind of a platform of
Yes.
speaking and presenting and things like that.
Right.
Video was again a new element in my life. So that was another skill that I had learned from the Speak and Grow family.
Yes.
And still in the learning process, I should be saying, but yes, this is how it is.
Right. So
And
always learning, learning, learning. And one thing which I take from your speech, last speech, that feedback is very much important. If you
very
don't
much,
get the
very much.
feedback, you don't gauge yourself. Where do you stand? So that's
Should be
very
taken
much important.
sportingly. It should be taken
Yeah.
sportingly for your
Yes.
own improvisation and improvement.
Yeah.
No harsh
Absolutely.
feeling.
Absolutely.
That's
Absolutely.
how it should be.
And
Say, for
see,
example, I
you,
had another one which told me that I cram up my speech with a lot of content, lot of matter,
right.
and people are not able to absorb it. It was like in the month of October, I believe, there was a
Right.
perspective challenge or something. I said, ma'am, you have added so many things into it. And I
Yeah.
had to go through it maybe 4 times, to take into account everything that you spoke. So there I realized that it's better to go and strike a click of three, the
Right.
best three possible, so that it is absorbed well by the audience.
Yes.
No need to cram it, no need to clutter the whole thing which you have.
Right.
So the best thing put forward.
Yeah.
That is how it should be. Okay.
And the concept
That's
of
another
public
learning.
speaking is also there. Talk less, deliver more. It says
True,
like
true,
you talk
exactly.
less and deliver more.
True,
So
exactly. And it should be communicating. Like,
yeah.
what I felt was, you can learn from the singers or the performers. They normally interact, in spite of the fact that they sing, they also say, they come out with some interactive kind of a thing with the audience. They
Right.
say, तुमने किसी से प्यार किया किया तुमने किसी को दिल दिया दिया. So the
Yes.
same thing actually should come up in the speech also.
Right.
It should be an interactive, engaging thing.
Yes. Yes. People should feel that it is communicated to me. The speaker is
Right, right,
talking to me. So
right.
that's how you can
Exactly.
engage people to your speeches.
True, true,
Absolutely,
true.
absolutely, Shraddha. And that's how I also remember your that speech had gone viral. That was one of the first videos which crossed 100 comments.
Right, right,
So
right.
that's how I remember this. And one very different challenge, Shraddha, for you right now.
Mhm.
If you are into the finals of any public speaking competition,
Right.
what would you talk about?
What would I
What
talk
would be
about?
your speech?
My speech would be, you mean the topic or the
Topic,
treatment?
topic. Yeah, topic and theme. What would you think about?
Speak at the moment, I think about speaking on mental conflicts in mind.
Okay,
So there are a lot many things, which goes in your mind, and how to tame that.
Okay.
Because it's a serious problem with me. I am a person who overthinks.
Yeah.
And then actually to bracket it and come with the elements which are important becomes a real challenge.
Right.
So basically, I'm reading about it. And so that is one thing which comes to my mind. I would like to, talk to people about it, and also give my learnings, bring forth my learnings about it. So
Great.
that's absolutely one thing which I am thinking of right now. Yes, yes.
Great, great. And just last question, Shraddha. After having so many of the qualifications with you, you added public speaking also in your basket. You have this project also that on the mental state you want to do something more on. So, in a brief, I just want to ask you, what are your future plans? Having those skills, those knowledges in your basket, and where do you want to take them towards?
Okay, now that I'm learning public speaking, I have kind of a fascination and about it, and I'm venturing actually into a startup with a few of my friends. So we are dealing with mental health, skill development, personal effectiveness, career guidance, and things like that. We are five of us, all girls,
Okay.
and we are working on a portal. What I have found in my life, in all throughout my experience, that we have been taught
Right.
how to read, how to write, but we haven't taught how to observe, how to understand things, all
Great.
right, and how to comprehend well, how to increase your reading speed and
Okay.
comprehend well.
Okay.
So these are the elements which I need to focus on, on the skill development,
Right.
the things we are venturing into.
Okay.
So our thrust and focus would be on development of such skills which are not taught in schools and colleges,
Great.
because this is what is required in your day-to-day basis.
Right.
And probably I would, and I wish to, emulate the success story of Udemy. I should be saying that.
Great. 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 That's great. That's great.
So maybe we'll go on floor by mid of next year, and it'll be a baby start, but then
Right.
yes, we are fueling it lot many things, and I would like the contribution from the Speak and Grow family and all others who are interested in this 5 fields that I have mentioned,
Absolutely.
in terms of
Absolutely.
content writing, voiceovers, classes, video classes, and things like that.
Yes.
So
Yes.
whoever wishes, I would love to collaborate with them.
Consider me in. Consider me in.
Sure,
Right now.
absolutely, it'll be
Right now.
fantastic to have you with us.
And I loved your that statement, which are not taught in colleges or in schools.
Right. Right.
Recently, I came across one video where Vishen Lakhiani from Mind Valley, he gave a long speech. It was a long video that he was talking about now these colleges, whosoever they are running offline, they may be obsolete for after some time. This lockdown has taught people that things can go on without the huge fees paid, and that to the output is very less.
Right, right, right.
And he says that now it AI will replace everything. Every manual work will be replaced by AI. So people will
True,
have only
absolutely, yeah.
one thing. People will have only one thing to learn is about mindset, of human values, of health, and one-to-one interaction. They are only thing, or spirituality. They will only be the things that will be remaining to work on for by the humans. So all the best in your ventures, because you are thinking from the futuristic point of view, and this is only going to remain in the mainstream over a period of time.
Thank you so much for your good wishes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And it is all very good. Once again, I say that Shraddha, I admire a person the most who's sitting in front of me. So this is the great moment
Thank
for
you.
me. And thank you very much. I would like if you want to give us the last shairi of the final moment.
I can't recollect any shairi at the moment.
Or anything that you recollect.
Okay. I have this beautiful learning. I mean, I should be saying that Sanjay Jadhav, he sang a song,
Yeah.
"Kahin Dur Jab Din Dhal Jaye."
Okay.
And that was again a learning thing for me because,
Okay.
we talk about modulation of voice and, projecting our delivery well or presentations well.
Right.
And what I saw in that, and it was, I mean, he should not take it, I was like rewinding and looking at his facial expression when he was singing.
Right.
He sings very well, and the expression, provides that luster
Right.
to the whole effect of the song. So it was
Right.
like, "Kahin dur jab din ढल जाए." Look at the modulation, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
सांझ की दुल्हन. So as soon as he said सांझ, it started feeling like सांझ.
Yeah.
सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए. Now look at this facial glow.
Yeah.
चुपके से आए. With
Great.
all smile, he ended the thing. So,
Yes.
you are starting with a normal, subtle kind of a thing, and then the happiness, glows on your face.
Right.
That actually, I don't know, it provides the spark that is required to make the audience glue to what you are doing.
Right.
So that is one of the fabulous learning, From singing also, I learned this thing and put it
Yes.
in my speeches. Yes, I do
Yeah.
that too.
So I have seen your singing
So
also.
learn from
It's-
everywhere. Learn from everywhere.
So the queen of shairis, the poems, the veeras, and then the expressions. Your expressions was just icing on the cake on this particular song.
Thank
So-
you for your good words.
Yeah. So thank you very much for being in the show and all the best for your future endeavors. And definitely, I would also like to be associated with you wherever
Wonderful.
you feel that I could be of any help. Please let me know. So,
Sure.
ladies and gentlemen, today's queen was Shraddha, Mrs. Shraddha Dubey. So, once again, the queen of everything that you also would have come to know when she was speaking like that. So, all the best to Shraddha. And next time, we'll be having one more amazing guest who will be surprising you on this Alok Joshi Talk to Rock show. Till that time, just keep watching. And I am Alok Joshi, watching you smiling there. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much.
Oh, sure. Okay, looking forward to your next video.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you. Thank you so much.